Hey guys, we are south of Chadron, Nebraska. We're heading towards Alliance because Sean linked me to a parts scout on Facebook Marketplace, and he should know to avoid that mistake, but now he's been roped into going down there. We've got a trailer just in case we end up getting it. Hopefully it's got some decent axles and maybe some other stuff, so if the price is right, we'll see if we can come back with it. Alright, so we just got some Dairy Queen to eat. We're heading north out of town here. Big thanks to Matt. He was super helpful.
Super nice guy.
Getting that thing loaded, really nice guy. So hopefully we'll do the Scout justice, build it into something nice. But since we're on our way out of town here, we thought we would stop by Carhenge, just outside Alliance. Check it out. Alright, so we got the Scout home okay, and now we're down here on 8th Street watching cars cruise and just having a nice night. So, yep, got it home alright. Thanks for watching. We'll see what happens. Alright, so our Scout collection grows from 1 to 2. Big thanks again to Sean for helping me go down there and grab that thing and just tagging me in the Facebook post to begin with. It's kind of his fault. Also shout out to his friend Connor. He lent us that car trailer with the tilting bed and the winch, so that made loading it pretty much as simple as it could be. Also Matt, who we bought the Scout from in Alliance. He was super essential in getting that heavy Scout 2 dash up into the bed of Sean's pickup. So got everything home now. Started pulling parts off of that Scout 2 dash, so got the steering column, the brake booster pedals, and a few other things. Plus, just a couple of days ago, Sean and I did check out the engine in that Scout. We have confirmed it's not locked up, so it did run 2 years ago just fine when Matt took that thing apart. So good to just confirm that that engine is at least salvageable. Hopefully we can get that thing running in good shape. Check out what the rest of the other Scout needs mechanically. We've got another 66 Scout 800 in our garage here with a nice patina body, a lot straighter than the one that you saw in the video. So assuming Sean and I can get that Scout V8 running, we'll want to swap the bodies over, and then basically that'll be a huge upgrade from what we've got right now, because right now the axles on our current Scout aren't too great. They've got a little bit of play. We would need the Dana 27s rebuilt. So really, I was just looking at this Scout in Alliance for axles, which basically cost about $1,000 for a good set of matching axles, Dana 44s off of the Scout 2. So it looks like this one's going to come with a lot more though. It's got good frame, hopefully a running engine in it. So we'd be looking at a lot of upgrades, including an automatic transmission, which would be a plus, a little more family friendly for cruising around. Disc brake upgrade. So obviously we've got a lot of work to do before we get to that point. I'm sure we'll have more videos in the meantime, just trying to get that thing running, and we'll give you some progress updates in the meantime. So thanks again for watching. Thanks again to Sean, and see you in the next one.